Planning to migrate from Azure Data Factory to Fabric Data Factory? Before you make the move, here's a quick guidance on how to assess your Azure Data Factory for a smooth Fabric migration. Why run a migration assessment? Migration is more than a lift and shift. An assessment helps you validate compatibility, reduce risk, and avoid surprises. It shows which pipelines are ready, which need changes, and which aren't yet supported. Plus, gives you a detailed report to plan and track the move. How to run the assessment. Open your Azure Data Factory in the Azure portal. Select Start Assessment from the Authoring Canvas toolbar, and review the side pane showing pipelines and activities. You can expand each pipeline for details and export a CSV report for deeper analysis. Understanding the results. Each pipeline and activity is categorized as ready, needs review, coming soon, or not compatible, helping you quickly see what can be migrated now, what needs changes, and what requires refactoring or waiting for future support. What's next? While Microsoft continues building a native UX-based migration experience, you can start early using the PowerShell upgrade tool, plan remediation for flagged items, follow migration best practices, and keep an eye on new Fabric Data Factory capabilities as support expands. Stay tuned for more Power BI updates.